We all reach for help from time to time for many, many reasons. And when you reach for help and you need a cane, you want to make sure you have a cane that gives you balance, that gives you support and gives you stability. This is item V84724. It's from Dynamo. We call it our GoStick. It is a folding cane with something we call Cyclone Tip, as well as a crossbow bend. We have it on sale today for $45.98, but you can get it home, 3 easy pays, $15.33 is gonna get it home to you. I wanna quick go through the colors that we have here. We're back in stock with all of the colors. So starting here, and you'll see the different heights on them, and I'll show you that in just a second. This is your Ella Black right here. Moving over, we have the Oliver Green. And then we have G-Man Blue, and by the way, my son's nickname is G-Man, so I'm partial to that one. This pretty color right here is Dawn Yellow. We've got a gorgeous Sunset Orange, a Midnight Plum right here, and the last color right here is called Racing Red. This is one cane, but you see all of the different heights that you can adjust it to. It really accommodates people from 4'6" to 6'4" and supports 325 pounds, which is incredible. But this was invented by a man. His name is Will Scott, and he was training for the Olympics and suffered a very severe injury, ended up with 17 knee surgeries, over 1,000 days using crutches, canes, and walkers. And really nothing worked for him. Nothing gave him the support, the balance, and the stability that he needed. So he set out and he really redesigned a cane from tip to grip, but this is our brand new, we call it the GoStick. It is the only cane that we have that is folding and portable. Folds down to about 15 inches, so it's more packable, it's more portable, it's more throw it in your bag. But when you get there, you no longer have to lean it against something and risk losing it. And yes, Dad, I am talking to you because that's what you do. But I'm gonna show you the difference. What I have here is a regular cane. This cane is not 100 years old. This cane is actually relatively new. There has not been much cane innovation in the previous years, even canes that look pretty colorful and things like that. The innovation that helps them support you really hasn't changed. So I want to show you why this is such astounding engineering. Totally redesigned from tip to grip. So if you look here and you see the different tips, first of all, this is our Cyclone Tip right here, and you see how much bigger it is than your regular tip, but it's not so big. Those bigger tips that are really, really wide, they become a tripping hazard, so it's not that wide. And you also see all of these open chambers right here in a Cyclone pattern. This is modeled after a snow tire, and the cyclone shape to that is to give the dirt, the debris, the water, because you can use this in the water, even in the shower. It's to give that all a place to go so it escapes out from underneath the tip, keeping you in contact with the ground better. Now I'm going to stay right there, but just kind of tip this up. You're going to see some open chambers in the side of the cane. These are for articulation. This is exactly how your ankle works, and we have redesigned that tip to work just like your ankle. Then coming up the cane itself, you've got a bend in the cane. This is not broken. Don't send it back. This is exactly how it's designed. This 12-degree bend is what puts, finally, a cane into balance. Canes by nature are unbalanced. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to balance the cane on my hand. I'm not holding it, I'm just balancing. And what you're going to see is the tip of the cane is directly underneath my hand. This cane is in balance. Why on earth are we leaning on this for balance when in itself is not balanced? And then the grip. Completely different from any grip that you've ever seen out there. Patented technology, it's wider, it's softer, it's spring-loaded to help relax your hand. You're gonna take your hand, and this is how you grip it, with the strongest part of your hand right here and the widest part. And this is what's interesting, is you take that V shape of your grip and you put it facing forward. This is what activates all of the balance and the stability and offsets the pressure that otherwise builds up into your wrist and your shoulder. So now you have a cane that you can walk upright, that you can stand tall. If you need to sit down, this is a cane because that grip is so wide that you can ease yourself down. Notice how I can hold with 2 hands, ease myself down into the chair, and really use it to lean into it to all my weight to bring it back up. But here's what I love about the cane as well, because it's packable and portable. My father, he would go to the restaurant or doctors or wherever, and he'd have to find a place to lean his cane. He would fall down, he couldn't pick it up, he'd forget his cane. He'd say, honey, can you please go get my cane? I left it in the restaurant. Here's the thing. You can keep the cane right with you. Folds down to just about 15 inches. And when it's time to open it up, literally locks itself into place. You also get the carry bag, which is really great. We have upgraded the wrist strap. So this is like jewelry quality, absolutely beautiful done strap for your hand to hold that, which is really nice. There's also a hook and loop strap right here to hold it together when it's folded up. So now imagine a cane that you finally get comfort with. You finally get support with. This is a cane that will go outside on sand. This is a cane that will go outside on water, on gravel. Because it's T6 aircraft aluminum, it is extremely lightweight. It weighs just over a pound, yet supports 325 pounds. A cane that you can take into the shower with you. This is item V84724. It is on sale today for $45.98, but it comes with 3 easy payments, offered to you with 3 easy payments today to try it, to bring it home and try it. If you don't love it in 30 days, you are welcome to return it. I'll take you through the colors real quick. We got fancy names for our colors. So we have the Ella Black right here. And again, this is all the same cane, but you're seeing the different heights as we have it adjusted. The Oliver Green right there, beautiful green. G-Man Blue is absolutely gorgeous. Now we're getting into the happy colors. We'll match this to our spring outfits. That's your Dawn Yellow, your Sunset Orange, your Midnight Plum, and your Racing Red right here. 3 payments of $15.33. I believe we have some portable. My good friend Sarah's coming up with the Halo Portable Power.